What's up everyone, this is iFitman, your health and fitness coach, and today I will show you how to cook chicken recipe with white sauce, healthy and easy. So at the end of the video I will also talk about the nutritional information and how you guys can be fit and healthy while eating this recipe. So let's cook together. thanks for watching my video. Hope you all guys like it, and if yes, then do hit the like button and also share your experiences in the comment section. So guys, moving to the detailed knowledge about this recipe, here's the chart on my left showing the exact nutritional value. So as you can see guys, there are 46 grams of protein, 20 grams of carbs and 32 grams of fat. So all of this recipe holds 552 calories. So if it fits in your macros, then you should not worry about having carbs or fat, because at the end what matters are calories. So let's talk about for the people who are looking for fat loss or shredding, then this is the perfect recipe to add onto your diet. And you can also restrict your calories by using less of oil or ghee while cooking it. So what about people who are looking for weight gain or muscle building? You guys can add pasta or macaroni in it and make this recipe one of your heavy meal. One main important point, if you want to be healthy, you should not use MAIDA. Instead of, you should go with sattu or besan. Cook and share your recipes by tagging me on my Instagram account, or you can use hashtag #I_fitman. I'll be more happy to share your recipes onto my story. So guys, it's time to leave and I will catch you on my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and never miss an important update by clicking on the bell notification on. So bye bye, take care and peace out.